FairPrice Fantastic Foodventures presents the Space Adventure, a mixed berry French toast recipe. On our journey today, we have our friends Mighty Bread, Playful Eggs, and Friendly Berries. Read on to cook up French toast with your kids. In a Milky Way, far, far away, 3 playful eggs are on their way to French class. "I can't wait for class today," say the playful eggs. Oh no! From out of nowhere, cinnamon asteroids hit the playful eggs, tossing them into a black hole. They start shouting for help. "Help! Help! I'm terrified," the eggs say to each other. But suddenly, Mighty Bread comes to the rescue. He catches the playful eggs in his buttery space pan just in time. "Fear not, my friends. Let us be on our way," says Mighty Bread. Thanks to Mighty Bread, the crew arrive on Berry Planet safely, where the playful eggs reunite with their friendly berry classmates. "Bonjour, mes amis," says the friendly berries. The playful eggs celebrate with their friends as sugar icing fireworks are seen in the distance. Hooray! We did it! This holiday, take your kids on a family cooking adventure to try our mixed berry French toast recipe. And don't forget to keep the adventure alive. See you guys soon!